Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is an unboxing, a Chanel item that I picked up and I am so excited to share it with you. I saw this on Instagram, of course, and I thought to myself, oh my goodness, they are so beautiful and they may actually be very comfortable. And I said, let me try and get my hands on them. And I did. And now I want to share it with you. So if you're interested in finding out what I picked up from Chanel, just keep on watching. Before we go ahead and unbox what I purchased, I don't want to take a lot of time, but I do want to say I am having a moment with White House Black Market and Soma. I've bought this gorgeous, gorgeous top and I really wanted to share it with you because it is so beautiful. I bought this mesh top. I have it in about 4 colors and I have just gotten so many beautiful, beautiful things from White House Black Market. The price point is so good and Soma is just having a moment with the most comfortable bras. If you're interested in checking out what else I've picked up from White House Black Market, if you want to see me go ahead and put it together and give you some mod shots, show you how I intend on wearing them, let me know in the comments section down below. And for now, let's open up what we purchased. By the box, you may already have guessed that these are a pair of shoes, and that is correct. They came just like this, no ribbon, no nothing, because I purchased them from Nordstrom's shoe department. My sales associate here in South Florida had to source them for me. Let me get this open. These came all the way from Chicago, the Michigan Avenue store. Let me get rid of the receipt. They came with the 2 dust bags, which I really appreciate because I use them for travel. Came with a little booklet and they were nicely packed inside. Plenty of tissue paper to reveal the gray loafers. And let me just take the other one out. These are from the 21B collection and they are just called the Loafers. They are lambskin. These are the gray with the silver CCs. And look at the quilting. They have a little bit of a heel and they're not your flat loafers. Here you go. And I thought these are so beautiful. I picked them up in my regular size, which is 37, and they fit me exact. So definitely true to size, at least for me. I will say that it may take a little bit getting used to because of this poofy part right here. It just feels a little different. Look at the beautiful CC turn lock, silver, and look at this. The turn lock is actually functional. You can turn it and this is what you see underneath. Also has elastic here, which is nice. It'll definitely mold to your feet. If you need a little bit more room, you will be able to get it. And there, just putting the turn lock back. I just thought these were so beautiful. I love the gray color. I am just having a moment with gray, and these are great, and they can be definitely dressed up or down, and I thought I can get some good use out of them even going to work. I gotta say, I was sold because of the color, and I was so excited that she was able to pick them up for me. Again, 21B collection. I will insert the item number if in case you're interested. And look at the detail on the sole. So pretty. And again, get you a better look. Let me pull out my Chanel Deauville and see what the difference in the shades of gray. Here is my Chanel Deauville, and here are the loafers. They're not exact, but pretty comparable. Also, I think the difference in the material, this is not lambskin and this is, but I think that this is gonna look so good. Even though this is gold and this is silver, this is gonna be way up. This will be on my feet. It won't make a difference. Okay, so this is it. I wanted to do this quick reveal for you in case anybody is interested and wants to get their hands on them. They are so beautiful. If I can, I will insert some shots of my wearing them. If not, check out my Instagram. I am sure that I will be wearing them very soon, and I will feature them on. Let me know if you're interested in seeing a video with my Chanel shoe collection. I really never thought that I would get into Chanel shoes or even high-end designer shoes, and I found that I truly enjoy them and have found that they are really comfortable. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to go ahead and do a video on my Chanel shoe collection. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.